So on this new episode, I have got my house key to my new place.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, Master, now that I got the key to my place,
Yes.
what do I do?
Yeah, so very important that when you have the keys, before you go into the house, you must actually clean the house first.
That's a good point, yes, okay.
So cleaning is called cleansing the house. In the ancient days, people, or the traditionally people will say, throw the rice and then splash the salt to cleanse. But we do some simple procedure. So what we do is we will go into the house and we will cleanse it using like a gong, and we can cleanse it using the rice, the rice grain. So we can clean up the house and take out all the trapped energy that has been in the wall for a long time.
Do we do this before renovation?
Oh yes, when you got the keys now,
so
we're going in. I'll get Master Dennis to help you to cleanse the house.
Thank you.
And after you cleanse the house, the next step is very important. You need to bless your house. So the blessing of the house must be done by the owners. So if you are not staying here, and then you can get your relatives or your friends to help you to bless the house as well. Most important thing is you must prepare 99 $1 coins.
Okay, 99 $1.
Yeah. But if you are in overseas, you just find those coins with like gold coins.
Gold coins.
Like,
your local currency gold coins.
Yes, like in Australia, you have those gold coins. Yeah, we have the queen.
Yes. The symbol of the queen.
So you know
behind,
why you have to throw coins? Do you know?
Metal is
that's for cleansing.
absorbed.
Yes. One reason is because coins is like metal or bronze. It's used to cleanse the ground energy. The second thing is traditionally coins symbolize pot of wealth. So in the old days, we throw coins is because we will have it to put it under the ground because the house is our wealth. Then you have to pass this to your descendants.
I see.
Yeah, but now the new age, we don't stay in the house for generation. So what we do is after you throw the coins, then you can come back like tomorrow or a few days later to pick up all the 99 coins.
And the 99 coins I must put in every part of the house.
So later, what you need to do is you need to go in. We will show you that Kelvin will bless his house. And every time he throw the coins into the house, you need to make wish. That's to bless the house. Okay. Then after you throw already, you leave it for a couple of days, or you can leave it one day, and then you come back. You pick the coins from outside the house, and you must make sure you have 99 coins.
Okay. Can.
If you cannot find the 99 coins, you may lost 1 or 2 coins. Then you have to get ready. By default, you throw again and pick up. So make sure you have 99 coins. Mustn't spend this money because this is your pot of wealth, and you have to pass it to your descendants. So we need to cleanse the house, and today I get Master Dennis to help you.
Thank you.
Clean this house. So we get Master Dennis here.
Yes, Master Dennis. Hello, Master Dennis.
So
hello.
Yes, so we have a very simple ritual. It's non-religion, right? It's actually very traditional. We have the gong and we have the rice, and I like to use the incense, which is scented incense like sandalwood, to kind of have a good
hear the energy
healing energy of the house. Okay? So we pass it to Dennis.
Come on, let's do it.
Yes, great. I pass you my key. So Master Dennis has cleansed the place for me. Thank you. I now have the key. So what I need to do is to bless and make wishes for myself. So what you do is you have the key. You go put it in, and then you can start with the 99 coins. Must be gold. And in Singapore, the $1 coin is perfect. Now that I've unlocked it, make sure you take your first $1 coin of the 99 set, 99 coins, and you make your first big wish. So you better make sure that that wish must be really hot, okay? And loaded, yeah? Okay, let's go. To good fortune and good health. Okay, first wish. Now that I have blessed my place with the 99 $1 coins, Master Dennis and I will start to do Kai Gong, yeah, which is in groundbreaking, right? So contractors are going to come in and everything, and I think one of the common mistakes that a lot of people make is that they think, I also thought so, that the contractors are the ones that do the Kai Gong. Not true, as Master Dennis would say.
Yes, normally for groundbreaking wise, you have to choose an auspicious date. It doesn't clash with you, and also the time also there, everything. So we actually find like for Kelvin, this is the northeast, which is a well sector of the house. So we will find this well sector, and of course we will do the groundbreaking start from here. So after this knocking, he will actually knock for 8 times. So every time you knock, you actually say the auspicious words. So after this groundbreaking today, the knocking, actually you can start the renovation work anytime.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so shall we start it?
Yes, please.
Okay, don't worry, I'll count for you.
Okay.
So the knock must be thunderous. Make
Okay,
sure it's
thunderous.
yes, the place
Ah!
okay.
Yeah.
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 So you will knock 8 times.
Okay.
So don't worry, I have you to count.
Okay, so each time I knock, I must say something auspicious, right?
Yes.
Like make another wish, right?
Yes.
Okay. So also that's a good point, because you don't want the contractor to anyhow just do, start work and then don't know what they're thinking, right? So obviously you start the work with the best possible outcome, which is, you yourself set your intentions and then make sure that whatever sort of renovation that you're doing brings the best outcome for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay, let's start.
Let's start. So exciting, huh? Bye bye. Okay, number 1, 开工大吉. Yeah? Yes, again. Harder. Okay. Okay, this is for good health. Yeah? Next one is for a lot of money.
Yes.
Yeah. Next
Healthy.
one. Next,
Wait.
okay, next one.
To stay in this place, yeah.
Prosperity for everyone. Okay? For good career. Good health. Right here.
2 more. 6. Okay. So after this, you can actually get your contractor to start the renovation work anytime. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now we have finished the 8 times of knocking. Don't worry, we knock here because Kelvin actually he want to change the design here. He's removing the cover. So actually you can, when do the knocking, you actually groundbreaking, you can do on the floor or any walls.
Yeah.
Unless just like him, he don't want the wardrobe,
Yeah.
then of course we knock at the wardrobe.
Yeah.
Okay.